Welcome to this course, Machine Learning for All. And my name is Dr. Debraj Bhattacharjee, and I'm currently working as assistant professor at Flame University. Welcome you all for this second topic of Module 1, what is artificial intelligence? In our previous topic, we have explained what is machine learning, where we have learned that machine learning is nothing but a process where from the previous experiences or your observations, you are trying to build a model which will help you to make decisions. Now, if I just talk about this famous quote of Dave Wetters, if people trust artificial intelligence to drive a car, people will most likely trust AI to do your job. So this one line actually explains what is the artificial intelligence. In simple word, artificial intelligence is nothing but a decision-making model that is generated through the process of machine learning. Now, if I just try to elaborate what is artificial intelligence gives the machine but the particular ability to perform tasks such as learning, decision-making, and problem solving. Also, you can consider it as a synthetic knowledge that is generated through machine learning process based on your previous experiences. Now, if you ask me, then what is the differences between machine learning and artificial intelligence, or if there is a relationship between machine learning and artificial intelligence? Yes, definitely there is a relationship between artificial intelligence and machine learning. If you consider artificial intelligence as a superset, definitely machine learning is a subset of that. And in consecutive courses or topics, you will understand what are the artificial intelligence that can be generated through machine learning through various learning approach like supervised learning and unsupervised learning. So let's say, take a simple example. And in this example, we will try to understand what exactly is artificial intelligence. Before exam, let's say, you're trying to predict how much grade or how good you can do or you will be able to do in the next upcoming exam. And for that, you have already captured some information for last 10 examinations. Let's say maybe for your sleep time before the exam and your study time before exam. So maybe you have that record for last 1 month, how much you have studied in terms of hour and how much you have slept in terms of hour. So, and also you have some information regarding your previous exam grade and also similar kind of information regarding your reading or preparation and sleep hour. So based on this previous observations or data, you can easily train a model or generate a model that will help you to predict how much grade you can achieve in your upcoming examination. So hence, I can tell that machine learning helps you to convert this previous experiences or your observations into a black box. This black box, which is generated through your previous experience, will used to predict your future exam grades or future events. And this model that you have generated through the previous experiences is your artificial intelligence. So definitely, in this case, machine learning is a process of generating that artificial intelligence. And I think this is kind of a best example for your artificial intelligence, and also this tells you the story that how artificial intelligence is related to machine learning. Now, consider another example that previously I told about, that that cycling and swimming, these are also kind of examples of your machine learning applications. So definitely, let's say, inside your brain, you need some stimuli or inputs. Maybe the practice of cycling or swimming is giving you that particular input that train your brain to detect what are the adjustment you have to do while cycling, the things you have to do while swimming. So definitely these are some of the simple examples of artificial intelligence. Now take these examples one by one. I'm just taking the first example of cycling. When you have a cycle, so you have to do two broad tasks. One, you have to balance and you have to pedal to move forward. Now, when one teacher or supervisor, let's say maybe your parents, maybe your friends, or maybe your siblings are helping you to learn this cycling technique, they definitely first give you kind of a push, or they try to help you to maintain the balance. While maintaining the balance, they are giving you some kind of an input, or they are trying to help you to maintain that particular balance, and these inputs are working as a stimuli to your brain, and slowly, steadily, you are trying to adjust these stimuli, and ultimately at the end of the day, you are understanding how you should adjust or how you should react to adjust while cycling to maintain your balance and move forward. Similarly, if you want to swim, in that case also you need some kind of supervision or some training from your trainer that okay, how to float on your head or how to float your entire body, and for that you have to do certain control of your breathing, and also you have to move your limbs to move forward. And constant teaching or constant instruction from your teacher or your supervisor actually helps you to identify what is that exact pattern where or exact pattern which will help you to control yourself on the surface of water to move forward for getting more better result. So in these two cases, actually after learning the patterns, you or your brain actually understood how to maintain or how to control your limbs or how to maintain your balance for unknown situations. And that is it. And that is the artificial intelligence or natural intelligence in human case, and definitely for machines it is artificial intelligence. So through these examples you can actually visualize or imagine how machines learn through the process of machine learning and apply to solve some real life problems through the help of artificial intelligence. So in the summary, we can tell or we can conclude that artificial intelligence is nothing but the output from the process of machine learning. Machine learning helps us to learn different pattern inside the data, and further it generates some decision making model. That model is nothing but your artificial intelligence, which helps you to take some intelligent or effective decision in different situations. And definitely these decision making will help you to take fast and necessary action for solving some specific problems. And not only for the specific problems, nowadays artificial intelligence is slowly and steadily encroaching every field, every domain of application. Hence, the student should have a basic knowledge about machine learning and the artificial intelligence. So in the previous videos, we have learned or found that machine learnings are two different types, supervised and unsupervised, and also got several examples of supervised learning and unsupervised learning. Also, in this topic, we have learned how we can generate artificial intelligence with the help of machine learning. And from these examples, you have definitely understood that artificial intelligence have a huge potential. And to tap that particular potential, you should have basic understanding of machine learning. Also, in this upcoming module, we will be learning what are the process or different process of generating supervised or having or performing supervised learning and unsupervised learning. So this module, somehow it is very much important for understanding the basics of machine learning, and rightly said that machine learning is the new electricity, and definitely you have observed in your day-to-day life machine learnings are used everywhere. Maybe if you are using ChatGPT, which is a LLM model, which is commonly known as AI models, or maybe in Amazon, where certain products are recommended to you, which is again a part of, for example, of machine learning, or maybe anywhere where you are getting some kind of ad or personalized offers or tokens as a reward for different website or different purchasing platforms. So in case of social media, e-commerce and business applications, definitely machine learning applications are visible, but slowly and steadily these applications are now in the social sciences or different applications like in historical findings or application in the geoscience. So this course is very much necessary for all the students who are exploring maybe geoscience, maybe they are fond of history, maybe in literature, maybe all those topics, any other topics in social science and business. These courses will definitely help you to get a basic overview of machine learning. So hence, this course is very much useful for the students from every domain. And also, I would like to thank to all the viewers for watching this video, and definitely you will be enjoying the upcoming videos. Thanks.